we'll guide you through how to create a Trello content calendar that's effective and easy to manage. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and navigate to Trello's website. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, create a new board by clicking on the Create New Board option and name it Content Calendar to keep things organized. Next, you'll want to set up your lists. Think of lists as columns, and in a content calendar, you might have lists like Ideas, In Progress, Review, and Published. Start by clicking Add a List on your board to create each of these categories. Now, let's add some cards. Cards are your individual pieces of content, so click Add a Card under the Ideas list to start. Give each card a title that represents your content piece, like Blog Post, Trello Tips, and hit Enter. You can click on the card to add more details, such as the description, due dates, and even attach files or links. This is where you can really flesh out your content plan. To keep track of deadlines, use Trello's Calendar Power-Up. Enable it by clicking on Show menu on the right, then Power-Ups and search for Calendar. Once you've added it, you'll see a calendar view of your board, making it easy to see your content schedule at a glance. You can drag and drop cards onto different dates to adjust your timeline. If you work with a team, inviting members is a breeze. Just go to Invite on the board menu and type in their email addresses. Assign them to specific cards by clicking on a card, selecting members, and choosing their names. This way, everyone knows what they need to work on. Remember to regularly update your board as content moves from one stage to the next. You can even automate some of these actions with Trello's Butler feature, which allows you to set rules like moving cards automatically when due dates are met. And that's how you create a content calendar in Trello. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.